Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Sal Mahajan, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look into AWS HealthScribe. So let's dive right into today's video. So firstly, let's talk about what is AWS HealthScribe. AWS HealthScribe enables healthcare software vendors to build clinical applications using speech recognition. So if you guys have watched my previous video related to AWS Transcribe, this is pretty much the same thing, just it is more focused towards the healthcare industry. So HealthScribe is a HIPAA compliant service, and it is designed to reduce administrative burden on healthcare professionals. A couple of use cases that you have for HealthScribe is it can be used in primary care, it can be used in specialty clinics, it can be used in telemedicine, and it can also be used in medical research. Now let's take a look into a couple of the key features of HealthScribe. First being automated clinical note generation. So what does this basically mean is that you can transcribe patient healthcare professional conversations and generate summarized clinical notes. So for example, if you are having a telemedicine application and you are a healthcare professional or a healthcare provider and you're having a discussion with your patient, HealthScribe can basically convert all of that conversation into some summarized clinical notes. You have another key feature that is speaker identification. So HealthScribe is able to identify who is speaking, be it is it the patient, is it the healthcare professional. If there are one or more healthcare professionals, it will also be able to identify accordingly. And finally, HealthScribe can also extract medical terms from your clinical notes or anything like that. Now let's quickly talk about how does HealthScribe work. The first step is you have your data input. This could be audio recordings of patient and healthcare professionals. Then you have your transcription, wherein basically AWS goes ahead, understands the audio and transcribes it into text. The third is analysis, wherein NLP, that is natural language processing, is applied, wherein it extracts medical terms and classifies a lot of different things on the text that was just converted for the audio that was just converted to the text. Fourth being note generation, it's able to generate notes. And finally, the fifth is review and integration, wherein once AWS completes its job of transcribing the details and the audio, then your healthcare professional can just review it to make sure that everything is in order. So this was a quick overview related to AWS HealthScribe. Now let's dive into a demo on the AWS console. Okay guys, as you can see, I am here on the AWS console. I'm on the Amazon Transcribe. So again, AWS HealthScribe is part of Amazon Transcribe. It does not have a dedicated page of its own. As you can see over here, it is a new functionality that we have. And also on the left hand side, you can see that we are able to see AWS HealthScribe that is new. So we're going to quickly go ahead and click on medical insights, because that's what we really spoke about. And you can go ahead and you can see that this is again a demo just to show you guys an example related to how does HealthScribe basically work. So you can select your input audio. Now you have two different input audio options that you have. One is related to some conversations related to blood pressure, and the other being diabetes. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the blood pressure one. And do you have any customizations that you want to perform? Again, I don't have any customizations. I'm going to quickly go ahead and click on start analyzing. So you can see that Transcribe has gone through all of this, the whole recording, and you can see that it has created a transcript related to it. So you can see that it's able to identify the different speakers, and you can see this is exactly what the conversation was taking place, and you can see what were the insights that were extracted from the according to the conversation that took place between the patient and the healthcare professional. So again, this is a quick demo related to HealthScribe. Again, If you guys know how does AWS transcribe work, it's pretty much the same thing, just it's more focused to health related, and you can see you're able to pull out a lot of insights, and you do have a couple of application integrations. So like if you integrate this, you can see this is the sample API request that you would make, and this is the sample API response that you would get from AWS. So I hope you guys did like this short video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like, do subscribe, and do comment if there are any other topics out there that you guys would like me to cover. I hope you guys have a great day ahead. See ya. Take care. Bye bye.